Hi there, today on this video I will show you some of the latest stuff I got from Trangia. It's from second sorting of the outlet at the factory that I passed by a couple of days ago on my RV vacation. First is a coffee pot that I didn't have to the 27 model. I have different models of Trangias, but I didn't have the coffee pot to that, as well as the multi-pot stand. And last, the one that I will unbox today, it is the Trangia Triangle or Trangia Triangle. It's a small stove that fits in the pocket and together with a trusty burner. So I will unbox this and test it, make a pot of coffee for myself. Yeah, let's see what's in this package. Okay, it's small instruction how to fold it together in front of the package. A small bag. Okay, the 3 sheet metal pieces that makes the triangle, and this ring that holds the burner. Of course, the burner is not included. You have to buy that separately if you don't have it with another stove already. Okay, I will fold this together and make a pot of coffee. See how it works. Okay, let's fold this together. Right, then the fuel burner stand. I think I have to grab it inside. Like that. Okay, that's it. Right, if you see, this is for the ventilation, and these slots fits the fuel hose for the gas burner. If you have a gas burner, it fits to this stove as well, and not only this spirit burner. I think as well the new gel burner fits as well, of course. The multi-fuel burner, I don't think it fits, but I could try that as well later. Okay, so in the pot I got a coffee spoon from one of the largest waterfall in Sweden. I bought this same day. I got some goodies from Trangia as well when I bought this stuff. It's some steel wool you can clean the aluminum parts with, extras, and Trangia matches. Very nice. I got the goodies in the pot from Malin at the Trangia office. Very nice. She guided me through this table of second sorting of different Trangia parts. So very handy to get matches. I got it right. Nice. I will let it heat up for a while and put some coffee on. I will make 2 cups of coffee. That's what fits in this small pot for the 27. About that much. And when I was in Trondheim, I bought some local made coffee, Kjelsberg, for cooking coffee. So I will try this out. Really nice to buy some local stuff. I love that. Let's see how it tastes. I think that will be enough. Yeah, it looks like it works very nice. Of course this is a little bit sensitive from wind because it don't have a proper windscreen as the larger Trangia stoves like the 27 and 25, and as well the small 28 have a small windscreen, but that's windscreen is pretty much like this one, very equal. Well, let's see how it cooks. I don't know if you see this, but I prepared for some fishing. I'm in Norway right now at Molde and the Molde Fjord. In the horizon it's a little bit cloudy, but there are two mountains over there. It's well known in Norway. It's the Kongen and Dronningen. It means the king and queen, and is located at the famous road Trollstigen. We will be there tomorrow and do that trip, but today I will do some fishing after the coffee. Okay, I think we have a good smell of coffee here. Yeah, that looks nice. Let's see what it tastes. I will let it sit for a while so it lets the coffee fall down. Well, let's taste it. Yeah, I got it strong. First I put in two of these coffee spoons with coffee, and it didn't taste very well. I like it strong, so I put in a couple or three more of these spoons. Now it tastes very good, strong, nice. Oh, it's hot. Yeah, but that's good. Now go for some fishing. Maybe I could heat up 1 cup more. Hopefully I'll get something up there. Okay. Bye. Alright. Let's try some fishing. I will try this out with a shrimp. Okay, that didn't take long. There's something on it.